Guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Quidax. And in order to do that, you're going to need to open up your browser. And once your browser is opened up, log into quidax.com. And once you've logged in and you've registered, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, click on sign in. And once you've clicked on sign in, you're met with the account section. Now, at the account section, simply click on the icon again at the top right and select instant buy or sell. By selecting the instant buy or sell option, you're met with currency to buy and what to buy it with. So we're looking to buy Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin and we're going to be buying it with the Nigerian Naira or USDT. If you have USDT on the wallet, you can use USDT as well. The option is there. And then simply put in the amount to spend. I need Bitcoin worth 30,000 of the Nigerian Naira. I could easily buy this amount by clicking on the continue option. Now, in order to perform this buy transaction, you're going to need to have deposited on Quidax. And in order to do that, all you need to do is simply click on the wallet section, which is just here. Click on the wallet section. And once the wallet menu opens up, your next step is to click on the arrow that points away from see all wallets. Click on it. And now scroll through and select the USDT, Binance USD, or any of the cryptocurrency assets you possess on another wallet. So let's just go with the USDT. And once you selected USDT, you can simply click on the receive option, select the network, and let's say the BEP20. Once you've selected the BEP20, simply copy this address and send your USDT here. So with that done, once you've done that, simply click on this again, head back to the instant buy. And once you've deposited USDT on Quidax, you can now simply buy your Bitcoin, which is here. You can simply buy Bitcoin with your available USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can buy Bitcoin on Quidax, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.